Good morning everyone, welcome back to our channel, the Asian Mechanic Guy. And for today, we got this 2011 BMW 323i. It's an E90. So for today, we are going to replace the serpentine belt. And in order to remove the serpentine belt, we need to just remove this, the airbox plastic air duct. So we just need an E20 Torx bits or socket. So we're just gonna loosen 2 bolts or a screw, and one more on the other side. There you go, the 2 screw, and then we're just gonna remove this. There you go. So we don't need to remove the whole, air filter box. We just need to remove that, and there you go. Now we got an access over here. I'll be showing you the serpentine belt. There you go, that's the serpentine belt. So we just need an Torx 60 that we could insert in there and release the tension, and we could grab, or get the serpentine belt. And before that, I already made my own diagram, so that's how it looked like, the belt diagram. Alright, so let's loosen this tensioner. So alright, so I hope you could see the tensioner is, and where we're gonna insert this Torx 60. This is Torx 60, and then we're just gonna insert in here. Alright, then we'll do it clockwise to lose the tension. There you go. Then remove the belt. There you go. Okay, hope you could see that. Now it's the belt is loose. Let's go remove the belt. Sorry for my poor lighting. Now let's remove it. There you go. Hold on. There you go. That's the old belt. And also, I already made a belt diagram for this. So before you remove it, make your own diagram. So it's gonna be easier for you to install it. So let's get the new one. So this is the new one. Compare it to the old one. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So they're the same. Look at the difference. The old one is already super deep, and the new one is still, you know, not that deep. Yeah, I'm talking about the groove. This is new, this is old. About the length, I did the same. Let's go check the length. Oh yeah, see it? Same. Oh my god. Oh man, let's go away. Then it's good. Alright, now let's put it on. So the way I do it, I'll start it from here, over here, going down here. So the farthest part. Right, sometimes you need this, anything that you can use to push, you know, push this belt going down. Alright, are you almost there? Alright, so I will be showing you what I did here. So I put already everything. No, it's better. So I will put everything like this, except the one in here. Everything has been installed in here. It's been aligned except this. So as you can see over there, right there. Sorry, it's really tough to film it. But I leave the one on the middle. This one, the pulley where you know, do your tensioner. So that's the last one to put it on, because it has no groove. It's just a plain what's that, tensioner or bearing or pulley. Just a plain pulley, no groove. Right, let's put it on and it's done. Alright, so let's put up the last one. Okay, hold on. It came off. Sometimes you have to do it a couple of times. It is what it is. Eventually it will get in. Let's double check. Alright. Nice. Okay. Let's do it. Again. There you go. See that? It's already in. Nice. Everything is aligned. Yep. There you go. Let's go check it. light. So from the top, from the alternator down to the pulley, down to this. I'm not really sure what's this. A pulley, one more pulley, and then another pulley there. Your crankshaft, another pulley goes to your, I don't know if that's AC or another pulley right there. It's in. It's really tough to show it, but everything is in. Let's start the car. Let's start the car and let's see how it goes. Alright, there you go. It's running good. We install it perfectly. Let me show it to you. It's the belt right there. Alright. Working good. Alright, that's it. This is just a quick video of how to replace a Serpentine belt for 2011 BMW 323I E90. So if you have any question, any suggestion, please comment down below and consider like and subscribe to the channel too. That's all for today and see you on my next video. Bye bye.